Guys spending nights over there, leaving out of the bedroom in the mornings. Very disrespectful. She keeps the nastiest house in the world.
Enjoy the video. Hit the like button.
Non-agreed CSRP paternity action filed by the state. Would the parties and the witness please raise their right hands? You do solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I will.
Yes.
And Mr. Walker?
Yes.
Okay, all three of you can put your hands down. Starting with Mr. Walker, please state your first and last name for the record.
Dick Walker.
And ma'am, Ms. Montgomery, please state your first and last name for the record.
Regine Montgomery.
And Mr. Bell, would you please state your first and last name for the record?
Lionel Bell.
And counsel for the state.
Jessica Brown Mitchell with the Office of the Attorney General.
Okay, at this point, Mr. Bell, I'm just going to mute you until you're called as a witness. Walker and Montgomery is going to stay unmuted. Okay, the court will take judicial notice of a non-agreed CSRP that was filed by the state. DNA was ordered on September the 5th, 2025. Court will take judicial notice of the DNA results filed into the record on October the 17th, 2025, where Mr. Walker is the father of the child subject to this case. All right, counsel for the state, you say this is a hearing. And so how many minutes to put on the?
I'm asking for 20 minutes, Your Honor.
Okay, 20 minutes. You may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. As previously stated, there was a child support review conference held on February 12, 2025, in which Ms. Montgomery did participate and sign off on that proposed order. However, Mr. Walker did not participate. Ms. Montgomery has requested today some amendments to that proposed order, and Mr. Walker is not in agreement with any terms of that proposed order, Your Honor. So I would like to read the state's amended proposed order into the record before I take testimony.
You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state's proposed order is that there be no finding of family violence, no non-disclosures included, that the parties be named joint managing conservators of the child, and that Ms. Montgomery have no geographic restriction as to where she can live with the child, that Mr. Walker would have visitation with the child 1 weekend per month on Saturday, Sundays from 12 noon to 6 p.m. unsupervised until the child reaches the age of 3, and then that Mr. Walker would have a standard visitation schedule for parties living more than 100 miles apart at that time. The state also proposes that Mr. Walker would pay cash medical support of $322 per month beginning May 1st, 2025, that Ms. Montgomery would maintain the child's health and dental coverage through the marketplace, that Mr. Walker will pay cash dental support of $16 per month, also beginning May 1st, 2025, that Mr. Walker would pay current child support of $949 per month, also beginning May 1st, 2025, that there be a retroactive child support judgment from January 7th, 2024 to April 30th, 2025 in the amount of $14,766.00, and that Mr. Walker will pay that back by paying $124 per month, also beginning May 1st, 2025, that there be no retroactive medical support or dental support judgments, and that court costs would be assessed to Mr. Walker 60 days from today. So I would like to start by calling Ms. Montgomery. Ms. Montgomery, what is the name of the child that is subject of this case? And how old is she?
She is 1 year and 10 months.
Okay, who's the mother of that child?
Regine Olivia Montgomery, that is me.
Okay, and did you receive DNA? Did you receive DNA results today confirming that Mr. Walker is the father of the child?
Yes.
Okay. Were you married to anyone at the time the child was born or conceived?
No.
Okay. Did you hear the state's amended proposed order that I read into the record?
Yes.
Okay. Are you in agreement with each and every term of that proposed order?
Yes.
Okay. And do you believe that this would be in the best interest of your child?
Yes.
Okay. Is it in fact correct that there has not been a pattern or history of family violence between you and Mr. Walker?
Correct.
Is it also correct that you are not requesting a non-disclosure of your phone number, address, email information in this order?
Correct.
Okay. As far as visitation is concerned, when did you said the child is 1 year and 10 months old, correct?
Yes.
Okay. When did Mr. Walker meet the child in person for the first time?
September 18th. It was on a Saturday on the weekend.
September 18th of what year?
2025, this year.
Okay. So essentially 2 months ago, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any have you, since he has met the child, have you allowed him to visit with the child?
Yes.
Okay. And when did he visit with the child?
This was October 14th through the 18th.
Okay. And did he take the child for overnight visits on his own?
Yes.
Okay. And do you, it sounds like you do not have any safety concerns with him visiting with the child. Is that correct?
No.
Okay. Pass the witness. And I would like to call Mr. Walker. Mr. Walker, did you receive a copy of the DNA results confirming that you are the father of the child subject of this case?
Yes.
Okay. Did you also hear the state's proposed amended order that I read into the record moments ago?
Yes.
Okay. Are you in agreement with each and every term of that proposed order?
No.
Okay. Could you tell the court specifically which parts of that proposed order you do not agree with?
The initial child support for 945, if I'm not right. Yeah.
Okay. Only the child support is what you don't agree with?
No, I'm just stating one by one. So that, and also Regine being the custodial parent for Khaleesi.
Okay. So are you saying that you're wanting to be the custodial parent of the child?
Yes, please.
Okay. So the conservatorship, essentially the visitation, if you're wanting to be the primary parent, and the child support, correct?
Yes, please.
So
Okay.
why are you requesting, and you've met the child just once and kept the child since October? Why are you requesting to be the custodial parent?
Okay. So from the day that she was pregnant and to the day that she gave birth last year, I wasn't in the United States. I was back home for 9 months when my mom was medically ill that she almost lost her life. So I was back home.
What's back home? Where's that?
Ghana. I was in Ghana, Africa, yeah. Visiting my mom because she was ill. So I was.
So get to the point of, why should I remove this child who's lived with her mother her entire life and you've only met her twice, for you to have custody?
Yes.
That's my question.
Yes, please. Yes, please. 'Cause, I do not believe that Regine would be the best mom or to take care of raising her because of how she treats kids, and also
Be specific. Wait, be specific. What do you mean? How does she treat her? Be specific.
well, I was visiting her last in September, and then she was disciplining the child, whooping her, and also she lied to me about paying daycare, and that was a lie. So the fund that she requested from me to pay for daycare, she wasn't using it for daycare.
Okay. Next question, Ms. Brown Mitchell.
Okay. you live in San Antonio, is that correct?
Yes, please.
Okay. So if this court were to make you the custodial parent, essentially the child would be moving far away from home to live with you in San Antonio. Is that correct?
Yes, please.
Okay. You said you are not in agreement with the child support. Do you have any other biological children under the age of 18?
No, please.
Okay. Do you pay any union dues?
No, please.
Okay. And so do you understand that child support is a mathematical calculation based on your income and giving you credit for things like union dues and other children not before the court?
Yes, please.
Okay. You pass the witness, and I will defer to the court regarding all of the terms of this proposed order,
All right,
Judge.
whose witness is Mr. Bell?
My witness.
Okay, do you want to call Mr. Bell?
Yes, please.
All right, Mr. Bell, unmute yourself. Mr. Bell, can you hear me, sir? Unmute yourself. Okay. All right, now, Mr. Walker, it's not a conversation to Mr. Bell. You have to ask him questions, okay?
Okay.
All right, you may proceed with your questions for Mr. Bell.
Mr. Bell, with you being a witness from the day that you were leaving with Regine, what did you notice and activities during your visit?
Guys spending nights over there, leaving out of the bedroom in the mornings. Very disrespectful. She keeps the nastiest house in the world. She stole from me. I seen stuff that no, I'm her father, but I wouldn't want to see my granddaughter raised by her. What she trying to do to
So,
you?
Mr. Bell, your child is Miss Montgomery?
That's right, ma'am. That's
Okay.
right, Judge.
All right.
That's right, Judge.
All right. Go ahead.
Mhm.
Wait, Miss Montgomery. Wait 1 second. You're going to get to ask him questions, Miss Montgomery. He's the witness right now. Okay. So,
To show the disrespect that she showed me to have a child raised up by her? No, I only been with him. I talked with Duke 3-4 months ago. We getting to know each other so we can meet each other in person, so we can know each other. We finally met when I was down there in October.
Objection unresponsive.
sustain. Okay, make sure you're just answering the question. So you're
I'm
saying
sorry.
there's men that are not, that she's not married to a significant other coming in and out, and the home is kept unsanitary. Is there any other reason why you believe that your daughter shouldn't have custody of the baby?
I don't think she can do it. I know she can't do it. She can't take it up. She can't. She hunts down babysitters. She can't afford the daycare. She tried to pump him out. I was gonna live down there with her to take care to do the babysitting. But after what she did to me, no. So when I'm seeing what she did in them 20 days of what she was doing, the activities, no. No, ma'am, I wouldn't want my granddaughter raised by her own mother. No. And that's on the Bible. I put my hand on the Bible.
So
That's all I gotta say.
did you discuss whatever you thought was inappropriate with your daughter?
When she raised her voice at me the third day before I left, God knows he must have held me back and put my hands on, so I didn't say nothing for 3 days. I didn't eat nothing for 3 days. When she dropped me off at the Greyhound, she got my bag. She helped me get my bags out. I just sat on the curb. She thought I was going to come back to the car and hug and say goodbye. No, that's how mad I was.
Your Honor, I have some questions for the witness.
Okay, but Mr. Walker hasn't finished his questions. Okay, Mr. Walker, next question of Mr. Bell.
Mr. Bell, when Regine reached out to me about paying $500 for a babysitter, was that the truth?
No, she wanted to pocket that money. She was trying to milk you. She was trying to blackmail you. She said if you pay her the $500, that she was going to drop the child support. She would tell me this. We talked every single day. And I was trying to tell you, why is you using that man like that? That's that man's daughter. Why are you trying to do him like that? He's trying to work with you. But you trying to milk him. Plus, you're going to take him to child support and they're going to tell the judge this and that about him. He not taking care of his child. That's wrong. But do she listen to her dad? No. But I'm going to tell you the truth.
Next question, Mr. Walker.
Lionel, when you were there and I was there visiting this kid, how was she disciplining her with the bare arms?
I don't like how Regine treat her. I don't like how she treats her. You talking about how Regine treat her or how you treat her?
How Regine treated her, beating her.
Did you notice inappropriate discipline or treatment towards your grandchild? He's asking you from your daughter.
Yes, she says yes. Especially down at the party, yes.
What specifically did you
When you
witness?
hold a child up by a hand like this and you spank that butt to try to make her stop. That's what I think. Oh, she done spanked her a couple of times, even in the house. When come, or she didn't grab the phone or something. She didn't spank her.
Okay. Next question, Mr. Walker.
For the past few months that I've been sending her money, but did she utilize the money for killing?
No.
Objection calls for speculation.
How do you know? Well, overruled, Mr.
Yeah,
Bell.
ma'am.
Did
I was
you have
down there.
Okay, and how did you know that none of the support went for the support of the child?
Because she did the same with my money when I had to ship to her Cash App. She didn't never give you the money. She just went and bought gas. She went to the restaurant. Then she take off at night. She goes and party. Her. We not going to like McDonald's so I can enjoy being with my granddaughter, someplace where I can play with her, enjoy. No. The money I had sent the Cash App to her card because I ran out of money spending on her. She did the same thing with his money with my money. She spent it on herself. That's why I don't never want to talk to her no more.
Mr. Walker?
Okay, my last question. What activities was going on in and out with other males in the house during the visit?
When you living in your parents' house or you have your parents visiting you, it would be rude of you, if you're not married, to have guys in and out.
Objection unresponsive.
Overruled. Continue, Mr. Bell.
To have guys in and out. I wake up, now I go to bed, Khalid went in the bedroom. I wake up because I get up 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. Here come a guy coming out of her bedroom. It's not one guy. This wasn't the second day. It was the third day. I got a picture of the last guy. I got a picture of just to show him. I said, I'm not lying to you. Here go a picture.
And again, Mr. Bell, you discussed that with your daughter, Miss Montgomery?
No.
Okay, so you
like
didn't.
I told you, remember I told you.
Okay, because wait 1 second.
I'm sorry.
So you didn't address that because previously when you were talking to her, she hollered at you. So you just witnessed it. We didn't discuss it anymore with her, correct?
Exactly.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Walker, any other questions?
No, please. That's all.
Okay, so Miss Montgomery, I'm gonna put Mr. Walker on mute. Miss Montgomery, you can unmute and you can ask your father questions. They have to be questions, not a conversation. Go ahead, Miss Montgomery.
Lionel Bell, are you my biological father?
Yes, I am.
Do you have court statements stating that?
Do I have what?
Do you have court documents stating that you are my biological father?
For what? What I need them for?
Can you please answer the question, please?
What do I need them for?
Okay,
You know when
do
you was
not do, Mr. Bell, do
okay,
not,
I understand. I understand.
wait, Mr. Bell,
Sorry.
calm down. Do not ask her questions back. She's
Okay.
asking you, do you have any legal documents showing that you're her biological father? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, next question, Ms. Montgomery.
Have you been a part of my life for the past 25 years?
No.
Are
No.
you in agreement with what Duke Walker has spoken to the court today?
Exactly.
May you elaborate with full, complete details?
No, I can't.
You witnessed that there were altercations between my daughter and I.
Yes.
Can you please communicate that considerable time frame as to when that occurred?
No dates and time. No, I don't. All I know is in October, between the dates of the 3rd to the 20th when I left. I'm 66 years old, and my memory isn't all that good, but I know.
Thank you. Next question. Are you an active grandfather?
Yes.
At what point have you played the grandfather role?
How would you? I mean, why should I answer that?
Next question.
Wait, stop, Ms. Montgomery. Mr. Bell, because you're a witness and she has a right legally to ask you questions.
That's she asking me stuff that if I'm not her father, she's trying to say I'm not her father. Why is she trying to get into other business? Have I been in her life 25 years? If I haven't been in her life for 25 years, why do you want to know what's been in my life? And she already know. But anyway, man, I'm sorry for disrespecting your court. I'm sorry. Just looking at her just got me upset.
Okay, so I need you to calm down and.
Okay, could you not show me her video? I mean, you can.
No, I'm gonna have to show you her video. It's my court, and I want to see the witnesses. So no, I won't be able to oblige your request of not looking at your daughter. What's your next question, Ms. Montgomery?
Thank you. Can you elaborate as to why I am an unfit mother?
Because you're a thief. You lies. You can't even take care of yourself. You forgot you was a foster child. Your mama was a crackhead that you had crack in your system. Something must be still wrong with you. Offer you $500 to take your teacher certificate test. Did you want to do that? You still don't want to do that. You stole from me.
Thank you. And what does my mothering skills have to do with me raising my daughter? Can you elaborate?
Because you just like her. You're coming to be just like her.
Your Honor, that's all the questions I have for the court, for the witness.
Okay, Ms. Brown Mitchell.
Mr. Bell, you just testified that you have not been a part of your daughter, Ms. Montgomery's life for the last 25 years. Is that correct?
The last time I've been in her life, I've been in her life for the last 3 years. The 25 years went from the time she was born, 1999, November the 20th, up until 3 years ago when she contacted me. We've been talking on and off. And I went to visit her 5 days.
Okay. Objection.
2 years ago.
Okay. Please just answer the question.
You asked about the relationship. He's telling you. Go ahead. Overruled. Go ahead, Mr. Bell.
Okay.
She was born November of 1999 until 3 years ago. 3 years ago, that's exactly 25 years I haven't seen her. So for the last 3 years, when she was 21, because she contacted me 3 years ago. Want to get into my life. She wanted to bond. We've been talking ever since. 2 years ago, I flew down there and visited her for 5 days. And then this is the second time I'm visiting her.
Okay,
Okay.
Mr. Bell. So
Next
my
question,
question
Ms.
was,
Brown Mitchell.
yeah, so you agree that it was 25 years. That's what I was asking you. You said that it had been 25 years that you were not in her life. So you're saying that is correct. Is that correct?
Yes, I wasn't in her life
Okay.
the first 25
Okay.
years.
Okay.
First
So,
23 years.
Okay, next question, Ms. Brown Mitchell.
So
Time
the
has, but go ahead.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Can I have another 10
Go ahead.
minutes?
Go ahead.
You said you've been in and out of her life for the last 3 years. Is that correct?
I've been in her life for the last 3 years.
Okay. So the incidences that you testified to moments ago, you said that you saw those things when you were at her house. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. Can you tell the court from what date to what date you were at Miss Montgomery's house?